Hi guys, welcome to Nikki Crafts. It's been so long time doing a quilling tutorial, and today I'll be showing you how to make this cute wall art. So let's get started. First, check through all the supplies that we need for this project. Some quilling strips. These are very big for me to make the flowers, so I have made it into 1/4 of each this size. It's of 20 centimeters and ½ inch, and you need a cardboard like this. In this we'll be placing one white A4 sheet, and on that we'll be putting all those flowers. And we need Fevicol, a pencil, the quilling tool, just a pair of scissors. We have to make the flowers of this pattern. This is how it looks like finally. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Nikki Crafts.